let's start from short, brief introduction of our company. So we organized this event because we have a lot of demand from the market, a lot of demand about the knowledge, how to use Microsoft Copilot, how to develop new solutions with it, and who we are. We are a solution provider and distributor. We are not working directly with customers, but we work with IT companies, with system integrators, developers, resellers, and so on. And if you still don't know a thing about us, I have to tell a couple of moments. So we have huge cross-brand expertise, about more than 100 brands in our portfolio. We provide access to hardware, software, cloud services, and professional services. So if you need any help, if you need any questions, if you want to provide any solution, just ask about it from us, and we will help you gladly. We like to develop expertise in our partners and customers. We have huge logistic services, huge support services, and of course, our own certified training center. So we are glad to invite you in our webinar series, and we are glad to invite you in our future business together. About our competencies, we are Microsoft servicing partners in modern work and infrastructure, Azure infrastructure. So this shows that we have a lot of certified engineers in our company, and we are ready to help with any questions. And what we do for our partners. Of course, the first direction is for Microsoft CSP. It's providing access to Microsoft 365, Microsoft Copilot, Microsoft Azure, of course. And also we are providing migration services for any company who wants to switch to the cloud, move to the cloud, move their email, move their Active Directory, and so on. We work with Big Titan and Quest vendors. And also we are providing professional services which are gonna help you to choose the right solution, to build proof of concept, to start the migration and any other solutions connected to the cloud. So feel free to contact us. Don't hesitate to ask for any help from us. And two more slides about our promos for our partners. We are now providing two promo actions. It's about one of these about Microsoft Azure. We are covering some expenses, and you can see the program on the slide, and of course you can connect with us for more details. So if you use Azure, or if you want to use it, just connect with us. Maybe it will be profitable for both of us. And the second one, our professional services promo. So we can provide some of our service from our portfolio for free. It's of course for limited time, but we have a huge list of services about modern work, about BI, about Azure, and we are ready to provide any help to our partners and our customers. So feel free to contact us. And this, from this moment, my part is over, and I give a word to our speaker, Michael Patsan. He's a huge expert, and I think it's going to be very interesting webinar series. So let's switch to him. Thank you, Michael. Your time now.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you very much. Greetings, everyone. Nice to see you now in this webinar. So let me share my screen, please. Yeah, thank you. You see me? And let's start. Let me share my knowledge about artificial intelligence and Microsoft Copilot for us. So what we will do today and in our next webinar. In this, our webinar have two parts. Today we will talking about how to use Microsoft Copilot, use cases, and more theoretical part about artificial intelligence. And I show you all opportunity how you can use the Microsoft Copilot. And in the next hour webinar, we will have a practical part, and I will share you knowledge about how to create a chatbots, how to create AI agents, and using Microsoft Copilot Studio, and not only Microsoft Copilot Studio. So, if you have any questions, you can ask me in our chat, and I will answer after my presentation. So let's start. Generative artificial intelligence. So it's not new some word, but we have more information about this from November 2020, because it was hype with ChatGPT, when we can receive the possibility to speak with machine, to speak with artificial intelligence. And why it's matter? Because in previous or artificial intelligence, it was more machine learning, and it was very expensive and very long time for education this machine learning technology. And after invention of generative artificial intelligence, we receive the possibility to create, to integrate artificial intelligence in our business, in our application, very cheap. It's really very cheap, and we reduce the cost of R&D. We reduce the cost for training of artificial intelligence, and we really receive true artificial intelligence, because it's cheaper, is and it's really generate for us some really useful information, and can work and analyze unstructured data with which we share to this AI. So what is AI? AI is something like software which installed on our server, and analyze and work with all information, unstructured information, structured information, which we share, which we send to this software, and receive some info. And generative artificial intelligence, it's AI which forecast for us every each token, and this token could be music, could be text, could be photo, and something like that. So we have something like T9, maybe you remember what this is, and have predict some new words. So generative artificial intelligence give for us some equal opportunity, because more workers using AI increase their produce more than 40% in their work. And it's really true research which did Harvard University, and in some legal firms. So workers who don't use artificial intelligence and have the high KPI and high quality was equal to workers who before have a low KPI and low quality without using artificial intelligence. So after integrate artificial intelligence, these workers increase their productivity, and all have started equal KPI. So it's really interesting, because now all company have some benchmarks artificial intelligence who shows them the really who shows them the really high growth, and artificial intelligence will show for us real grow rate for all company. It's something like new electricity in the company. So we can using artificial intelligence, we can automate more business processes. For example, this administrative processes, is legal processes, is for financial processes, and so more business processes where we can use a human intelligence. We can more of this automate, and before generative artificial intelligence, we couldn't do this because it was very expensive, and machine learning technology couldn't understand unstructured information, unstructured data, and for example, is legal documents, is financial documents. But now GPT and generative artificial intelligence could do this, because when I tell what generative artificial intelligence, I mean LLM models, I mean diffusion models and audio models, all fundamental models uh, which generate and forecast for us some text or photo or audio information. So where we can use this in business, for example, is optimization of business processes and logistics. Generative artificial intelligence could forecast million of scenario, find the more optimal solution, and for logistics, it's really important because we can reduce our cost to logistic, and we can optimize our business processes. In recruiting, we can automate whole process from find a specialist for analyze the CV, and then send the testing some test for first interview, and then analyze this interview, and now a digital avatar can pass this interview and provide this interview. And after onboarding of the company, we can provide some training using artificial intelligence, and it's really reduce a time for onboarding specialist from first day to finish the term of when the specialist study all information about company. In marketing and sales, we also can create advertising, email, newsletter, and new technology can provide for. I mean, GPT can provide for us generating a web content, so we can just write a prompt and, for example, create for me a web page, and we can do this. So I will show you how it works using Microsoft Copilot. And in financial and legal, analyze financial statement, analyze legal documents, analyze and create new documents based on some templates. All of this we can do using artificial intelligence. I mean, generating artificial intelligence and Microsoft Copilot, because Microsoft Copilot integrate in all Microsoft ecosystem, and it's really cool. I will show you after this theoretical part. So we have something like a personal assistant who can listen, speak with us, draw with us, analyze all in real time. Maybe you watched the presentation and the new GPT-4 Omni, if it's right. It is the new model which have announced OpenAI yesterday, and this model can listen, speak, draw, have emotion, can sing with us, and it's really very great model, which now will not now, but will be included in also in Microsoft Copilot. So it's really great. And now we have a question: will artificial intelligence replace the humans? It's a very interesting question. Maybe you have an answer. Can send in the chat. But for me, artificial intelligence will not replace the humans because humans is the high level of intelligence, and uh, human can replace only another human who have more tools and maybe have know how to control artificial intelligence. So let's start about some fundamental model. Today we will talk about a large language model. It's LLM model, which is very popular after ChatGPT because this kind of model can generate text, can generate uh, can analyze the text which we send for them, and can analyze all unstructured data. Unstructured data is the unfair opportunity which have this LLM and new generating artificial intelligence model. So that's why I talk about this so often. So LLM model can be built using architecture transformer. So it's GPT, generate pre-trained transformer, and can used for chatbots answering different system. We can create using this LLM model. We can create some chatbots for our customer support, for sales department, and for marketing department. Of course, can create some different, not only chatbots, but some intellectual system who can analyze different documents, who can create for us technical tests for analyzing function models. So it's all for us can do the Microsoft Copilot, because Microsoft Copilot use this generate artificial intelligence tools in all ecosystem of Microsoft. So how it work? It work very easy, but it's very it have a very easy architecture in high level, but very uh, but more opportunity for us. So it's we have Microsoft 365 apps. It's Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Teams, and other. And when and Microsoft Copilot is additional tools for this application. And when we send some prompt for this application in this application, uh, not AI, but Microsoft technology, Microsoft something like Microsoft technology can use Microsoft Route for sending this information to LLM. For example, it could be GPT, or and it could be some another model or fine-tuning GPT model. So we send this to this LLM model, and after that we uh, receive a response from LLM, and this LLM also back to our Microsoft 365 application. So we Microsoft 365 application is something like front end, and LLM model and Microsoft Route is backend. And using this technology, we can communicate with different Microsoft 365 apps. I mean, we can use Microsoft Word for create a presentation, for create a commercial proposal using, for example, presentation from from Microsoft PowerPoint, or in another way we can use commercial proposal to create a presentation, just write one sentence, maybe two sentences in English, and receive whole presentation by I don't know, maybe 1 2 minutes, and it work. So it's user time, and we don't waste the time to thinking about how to create this slide, how what text we can write on this slide. It's all do AI. So AI can start, can create for us all draft, and then we just write some additional information or more, and or maybe change some text, and that's all. So for me now, I use maybe 1 2 minutes to create a draft from some documents, and then after that use this presentation for my speech, and or maybe for my another purpose. So it's all we can do using Microsoft Copilot. And Microsoft Copilot not only integrate in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, but Copilot integrate in the Bing and Edge. So we can use Microsoft Bing, or we can just use Bing in Bing AI. I mean. Like search system, just go to site bing.com, click to Copilot, and here we have possibility to speak with internet in and receive all information. So we can try to just send one sentence. So, for example, what do you know about microprocessor? And now Copilot go to internet, search about information about microprocessor, and send me all about this investment entrepreneurs. Yeah, it's right. So all of this information, but not only about me, but maybe more useful information, you can search and you can use in bing.com. And also, if you use Microsoft Edge, you will have additional plugin for this browser, also using Microsoft Copilot. So it's for internet. For business, you can use CRM Microsoft Dynamic, and in Microsoft Dynamic we also have Copilot, and this Copilot could help you to organize all your information in Microsoft Dynamic, Microsoft Fabric, Security Pilot for development. We have really great opportunity in GitHub Copilot, because we can just write one sentence in English and receive a whole text. So more people told for me that English is a new programming language, because we can just use this language for create a code, and this code will be really work, or it help you to change your code, or help you to refactoring your code, documentate your code, and understand your code, because I think you know that when you wrote a code, for example, yesterday, for today, you don't remember anything about this code. But Microsoft GitHub Copilot could help you to do this, to remember about what you wrote yesterday. For development, also we have Microsoft Power Platform. It's very useful tools, because we can just use low code or maybe no code elements to create full application, and it's very useful for citizen development. For citizen developer. So and also we can use it for all another Microsoft ecosystem products. I mean Word, Outlook, Excel, and others. So for Microsoft Teams, we can use for summarize meetings, summarize a chart, for receive a follow-ups after meeting. In the Word, we can rewrite text. We can add a new text, or table, or another information, which you can see here, to your documents. In Microsoft Outlook, you can write email letters, and uh, uh, you can use it for for optimization your calendar. You can use for example, in email, I use maybe 60% Microsoft Copilot for, and as I understand, more and other people now use Microsoft Copilot. So in this time we have speech with two copilot in email, and it's really reduce the time to write this follow-up message on write some emails, for example polite emails where when you can need to write more words, big text, and all of this we can use. We can write using Microsoft Copilot. In PowerPoint, it's really useful because, as I say before, you can just write a prompt to create for me a presentation from this commercial proposal, and you will receive all this info. And Copilot Studio. We will work with Copilot Studio in the next our webinars, and I will show you how to create chatbots and integrate to your apps and integrate to your websites, and receive one more employee for customer support, for example. So all of this we will talking on the next our webinar. You can buy Microsoft Copilot licensing using CSP or EA, but it all you can all of this information you can send you can receive from MOOC. And if you have any question, you can you can answer, you can send to the chat, and I will I will answer for this. So in the next webinar, we will talk about how to write the prompts, because the main thing is very important to write a right prompt um, for Microsoft Copilot, because this prompt not only just in like zero shoot, but we can we will talk about a different method, give you a possibility to, for example, you can find information on internet, you can write some email, because you can use this kind of prompt act as copywriter, and follow the next steps. For example, at first, write an email for Michael about how to about for example, education, how to write a prompt, and the next create an image for this email. And one hack, it's let think step by step, and then we will receive all we will receive an email, and very easy email write for me. And also after writing this email, we can generate an image. So generating an image is also one killer feature for from Microsoft Copilot, because you don't need to think which what kind of image I can generate on for my presentation or for my text, and also you can work with Microsoft Excel. I forget about it. You can use for Microsoft Excel and work with table and work with this kind of information, and it easy to structure your unstructured data, and also very useful for work. We will I will show you all of this in our practical day. And as you see, we receive 4 images, and if you wanted to change this, you can just just click to this image, and after that you can for example click to this clock, and just you can change the color, you can blur the background, and you can change this image. Also, you can use, for example, Microsoft Edge, and it's also very useful because you have Microsoft Copilot near you, and just click for this button on the right top corner, and here you can see chat, you can compose any letters, and also when you go to, for example, Bing, you also can receive some insight from this info. So in chat also you have here the same Copilot which we have on the Microsoft Bing, but this Copilot everything with every time with you. Also, you can use Microsoft Designer, and Designer it's for creating images, as you said before, and sometime you can write for Copilot to write me a song and use Suno to generate music, and for this sometime, I mean, Microsoft Copilot can generate all this song, and after that use Suno for create music for using this lyric, but not every time. So it's I don't know, maybe it depend. Sometime they connect Suno, sometimes they don't disable this for the model for creating music. So it depends. Okay, for today, I think that we receive. I show you all possible opportunity and possibility for and use cases how you can use artificial intelligence. I mean, generative artificial intelligence. How to use uh, how to use Microsoft Copilot and some use cases, and in the our next webinar, I will show you all of this in real time, and we will use Copilot for creating presentation, creating some documents, and we will use Microsoft Copilot Studio for creating some AI agent for customer support, and I show you how to work.